For today's video, we are going to talk about how to solve exponential equations, and we are going to explain everything in details. On example number 1, we have 4 raised to 2x equals 8. To simplify the given equation, we must have the same base. So let us write 4 and 8 with the same base. We all know that 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. If you are going to multiply 2 to itself, that is 4. And 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. If you are going to multiply 2 3 times to itself, it will give us 8. So let us have 4, that is 2 raised to 2 raised to 2x equals 8, that is 2 raised to 3. So since we have the same base, let us cancel the base and let us have 2 multiplied by 2x equals 3. 2 multiplied by 2x is 4x equals 3. Let us divide both sides by 4. Let us cancel this one. So the value of x is 3 over 4, and this will be our answer. On example number 2, we have 25 raised to x plus 1 equals 125. So to simplify, let us write 25 and 125 with the same base. We all know that 5 square is equal to 25. If you are going to multiply 5 to itself, that is 25. And 5 raised to 3 is 125. If you are going to multiply 5 3 times to itself, it will give us 125. So let us have 25, that is 5 square raised to x plus 1 equals 125, that is 5 raised to 3. Let us cancel the base and let us have 2 multiplied by x plus 1 equals 3. 2 multiplied by x is 2x. 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2, equals 3. And to simplify, let us move 2 on the side of 3. It will give us 2x equals 3 minus 2. And let us rewrite 2x equals 3 minus 2 equals 1. Let us divide both sides by 2. Let us cancel this one. So the value of x is 1/2. And this will be our answer. On example number 3, we have 3 raised to x plus 2 equals 9 raised to 2x minus 3. So to simplify the given equation, we must have the same base. So let us write 9 with the base 3. And we all know that 3 square is equal to 9 because 3 multiplied by itself is 9. So let us have 3 raised to x plus 2 equals 9. That is 3 square raised to 2x minus 3. Since we have the same base, let us cancel the base and let us have x plus 2 equals 2 multiplied by 2x minus 3. Let us rewrite x plus 2 and let us have 2 multiplied by 2x is 4x and 2 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 6. And to simplify, let us move x on the other side of equation and let us move negative 6 on the side of x plus 2. So this will be 2 plus 6 equals 4x minus x. 2 plus 6 is 8 and 4x minus x is 3x. Let us divide both sides by 3. Let us cancel this one. So x is equal to 8 over 3. And this will be our answer. On example number 4, we have 8 raised to 4x minus 12 equals 16 raised to 5x minus 3. To simplify this one, let us write 8 and 16 with the same base. We all know that 2 raised to 3 is 8 because if you are going to multiply 2 3 times to itself, it will give us 8. And 2 raised to 4 is 16. If you are going to multiply 2 4 times to itself, it will give us 16. So let us have 8, that is 2 raised to 3, and raised to 4x minus 12 equals 16, that is 2 raised to 4 raised to 5x minus 3. Since we have the same base, let us cancel the base and let us have 3 multiplied by 4x minus 12 equals 4 times 5x minus 3. 3 multiplied by 4x is 12x. 3 multiplied by negative 12, that is negative 36, equals 4 times 5 is 20x, and 4 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 12. And to simplify, let us move 12x on the other side of equation, and let us move negative 12 on the side of 12x minus 36. So let us have negative 36 plus 12 equals 20x minus 12x. Negative 36 plus 12, that is negative 24, equals 20x minus 12x, that is 8x. Let us divide both sides by 8. Let us cancel this one. So the value of x is negative 24 divided by 8, that is negative 3. And this will be our answer. On example number 5, we have 4 raised to 5x minus 13 equals 1 over 8 raised to x. So to simplify this one, we must have the same base. So let us write 4 as 2 raised to 2 because 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. And since we have a fraction, let us use the idea of 1 over a raised to n, and that is a raised to negative n. So let us have 4, and that is 2 raised to 2 raised to 5x minus 13, and let us express 1 over 8 raised to x as 8 raised to negative x. So let us have 2 raised to 2 raised to 5x minus 13, and we all know that 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. If you are going to multiply 2 3 times to itself, it will give us 8. So let us have 8, and that is 2 raised to 3 raised to negative x. Since we have the same base, let us cancel the base, and let us have 2 multiplied by 5x minus 13 equals 3 times negative x. 2 multiplied by 5x, that is 10x. 2 multiplied by negative 13 is negative 26 equals 3 multiplied by negative x, that is negative 3x. So to simplify, let us move negative 3x on the other side of equation, and let us move negative 26 on the side of negative 3x. It will give us 10x plus 3x equals 26. 10x plus 3x, that is 13x, equals 26. Let us divide both sides by 13. Let us cancel this one. So the value of x is 26 divided by 13 is 2. And this will be our answer. On example number 6, we have 3 over 5 raised to x plus 1 equals 25 over 9. So to simplify this one, let us write 3 over 5 raised to x plus 1, and let us write 25 as 5 square because 5 multiplied to itself is 25, and 9 as 3 square, that is 3 multiplied to itself, that is 9. So let us have 25, that is 5 square, and 9, that is 3 square. So again, let us write 3 over 5 raised to x plus 1. And since 3 is in the numerator and 5 is in the denominator, let us write this one as 3 raised to negative 2 over 5 raised to negative 2. So let us have 3 over 5 raised to x plus 1. Since we have the same exponent, let us write this one as 3 over 5 raised to negative 2. Let us cancel the base, and let us have x plus 1 equals negative 2. And to simplify, let us move 1 on the side of negative 2. It will give us x equals negative 2 minus 1. So x is equal to negative 2 minus 1, that is negative 3. And this will be our answer. On example number 7, we have 27 raised to 3x minus 2 equals 81 raised to 2x plus 7. So to simplify, let us express 27 and 81 with the same base. We all know that 3 raised to 3 is equal to 27, because if you are going to multiply 3 times to itself, it will give us 27. And 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. That is 3 multiply 4 times to itself is 81. So let us have 27, that is 3 raised to 3 raised to 3x minus 2 equals 81, that is 3 raised to 4 raised to 2x plus 7. Since we have the same base, let us cancel the base and let us have 3 multiplied by 3x minus 2 equals 4 times 2x plus 7. And to simplify, let us have 3 multiplied by 3x, that is 9x. 3 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 6 equals 4 times 2x, that is 8x. And 4 multiplied by 7, that is 28. So let us have 8x on the other side of equation, and let us move negative 6 on the side of 8x plus 28. So let us have 9x minus 8x equals 28 plus 6. 9x minus 8x, that is simply x, and 28 plus 6, that is 34. And this will be our answer. On example number 8, we have 2 raised to x squared multiplied by 2 raised to 3x equals 16. So as you can see, we have a multiplication. So to simplify this one, let us use the idea a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. Since we have the same base, let us copy the base and let us simply add their exponent, that is m plus n. So since we have 2 as the base, let us have 2 raised to x squared plus 3x equals 16. And to simplify, let us write 2 raised to x squared plus 3x, and let us write 16 as 2 raised to 4. Because if you are going to multiply 2 4 times to itself, it will give us 16. So let us have 16 as 2 raised to 4. Since we have the same base, let us cancel the base and let us have x squared plus 3x equals 4. So let us move 4 on the other side of equation. This will be x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. And to simplify, let us factor this one. The factors of x squared, that is x and x. And what are the two numbers? If we multiply, we can get negative 4. And if we add, we can get positive 3. And that is positive 4 and negative 1. Negative 1 multiplied by 4 is negative 4. And 4 plus negative 1 is 3. So let us equate x plus 4 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So let us move 4 and negative 1 on the other side of equation. It will give us x equals negative 4 and positive 1. So this will be the value of x. On example number 9, we have 4 raised to 2x minus 20 times 4 raised to x plus 64 equals to 0. So to simplify this one, let us have some representation. So let us have a as 4 raised to x. Since the value of a is 4 raised to x, if we are going to have a squared, it will give us 4 raised to x raised to 2, and that is 4 raised to 2x. So let us substitute the value of 4 raised to x and 4 raised to 2x as a and a square. So let us have 4 raised to 2x, that is a square, minus 20 multiplied by 4 raised to x, that is a, plus 64 equals to 0. So let us have a square, negative 20 times a, that is negative 20a, plus 64 equals to 0. So let us factor this one. The factors of a square, that is a and a. And what are the two numbers? If we multiply, we can get 64. And if we add, we can get negative 20. And that is negative 16 and negative 4. Negative 16 multiplied by negative 4 is positive 64. Negative 16 plus negative 4 is negative 20. So let us have a minus 16 equals to 0 and a minus 4 equal to 0. So let us move 16 or negative 16 and negative 4 on the other side of equation. So this will be a equals to 16 and a equals to 4. Since the value of a is 4 raised to x, let us have 4 raised to x and let us express 16 with a base 4, that is 4 square. 4 square, that is 16. And let us have 4 raised to x equals to 4 raised to 1. So since we have the same base, so the value of x is x equals to 2 and x equals to 1. And this will be our answer. On our last example, we have 3 raised to 2x minus 3 raised to 2x minus 1 equals 18. So to simplify this one, let us have the greatest common factor between 3 raised to 2x and negative 3 raised to 2x minus 1. And that is 3 raised to 2x. And let us divide 3 raised to 2x divide by the greatest common factor, that is 3 raised to 2x, and that is 1. So let us have 1. And let us have negative 3 raised to 2x minus 1 divide by 3 raised to 2x. Since we have the same base, let us have 3. And let us subtract their exponent, that is 2x minus 1 minus 2x. So let us cancel this one. It will give us 3 raised to negative 1. And let us write the negative sign, that is negative 3 raised to negative 1. And then we have 18. So to simplify, let us have 3 raised to 2x times the quantity 1. And let us write negative 3 raised to negative 1 as negative 1 over 3. So let us have negative 1/3 equals 18. So let us have 3 raised to 2x. Let us simplify this one. Let us have 3 on the denominator. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 minus 1 equals 18. 3 raised to 2x times the quantity 3 minus 1, that is 2 over 3 equals 18. So 3 multiplied by 18, let us have 3 raised to 2x times 2 equals 18 times 3. And let us divide both sides by 2. Let us cancel this one. It will give us 3 raised to 2x. 18 divided by 2, that is 9 times 3. So let us have 3 raised to 2x equals 9 times 3 is 27. And let us have 27 as 3 raised to 3 because 3 multiplied 3 times to itself, that is 27. So let us have 3 raised to 2x equals 27, that is 3 raised to 3. Since we have the same base, let us cancel the base and let us have 2x equals 3. Let us divide both sides by 2. Let us cancel this one. So x equals 3 over 2. And this will be our answer. So I hope you've learned from this video. Thank you so much for watching and God bless us all.